Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon or good evening wherever you may be. It is time for Dutch lesson 4 and today we're going to learn how to count. Why are we going to learn how to count? Counting is important for all kinds of things. When you're dealing with your bank account, when you're dealing with telling the time, when you're dealing with making a phone call, you need to know how to say your numbers. There's lots of reasons why you need to say your numbers. So today we're going to learn how to count and we're going to learn how to count to 100. Oh, that sounds difficult. No, it's not difficult. It's pretty easy. You just have to remember one thing, and that's that the numbers from off 20 are backwards. Backwards. How do I mean backwards? Actually, I will give you an example. Does anyone remember the rhyme or learning the rhyme about the blackbirds when they were little at school? I think it goes something like this. It goes, sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye. 4 and 20 blackbirds were baked in a pie. When the pie were open, the birds began to sing. Wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? Yep, does anyone remember learning that? Or was that a typical English thing that I learned when I was little and my grandma used to tell me that rhyme? I don't know. But the words 4 and 20 actually mean 24. So there were 24 blackbirds baked in this pie. Why ever you would bake blackbirds in a pie, I don't know. But anyway, the words 4 and 20 meant 24, so there was 24 blackbirds baked in his pie. And when I actually started to learn Dutch, I remembered this rhyme a lot. Why? You'll see later in the Dutch lesson. So let's bring it in closer to the screen so that you can see what I see, and we'll start to learn counting. So you can see the numbers next to the words. I've written the words so that you can learn how to write them, because sometimes it's necessary with Dutch writing. Especially if you're learning for like an inburgerings exam or something, because you want to come over here and live. So I'm not going to do the translations, as you can see the numbers, and you should know what it means. So we're just going to count from 1 to 20. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I will do it once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, moving on to the next bit. It's like I explained in the rhyme, these numbers are going to be backwards. So instead of saying 21 like we do in English, we actually say 1 and 20. So it's like going from right to left when you're writing, the 1 and then the 20. It's like almost being as if you're dyslexic or something, but it's not. It's just the way it works in Dutch. So we say them backwards. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. One more time. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. That's 21 to 29. And then as we go to 30 and count further, we just do the same again. So we're saying 1 and 30, 2 and 30, 3 and 30. Where it's exactly the same, only the word 30 is different. So I'll read them to you. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. One more time. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And yet, that's a lot of coughing up the hairballs. So if you want to say 45, we say 5 and 40. If we want to say 67, we say 7 and 60. If we want to say 92, we say 92. If we want to say 84, we say 84. So we're saying them backwards. 4 and 80, 2 and 90, 7 and 60, It's confusing, I know, but trust me, it's something that you'll get used to as you practice it more and more. So that was a really short lesson on counting. I hope it helped and I hope you learned something from it. I have a little task for you this week. I want you to either put your age or your favourite year in the comments. Now to say, you're going to have to type it with words, I don't want numbers, so I want you to go back through the video and look to see what the words are and type them. If you want to say the year, for example 1957, you say 1957. So you divide it up into two parts, just like we do in English, 1957. You can write your favourite year in words, or you can write your age in words. So if you're 26, you're 26. And I want to see that in the comments below, see if you learned something from today. That's it guys for this week. We'll see you again next time. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, until then, bye.